too.
Hi, I'm Gail Sylvia Pullen, and I'm so excited about having been able to not only meet Tamara, but some other amazing women here this week in Mexico at her retreat. If you haven't been to one of Tamara's events, you have to go. You just absolutely, I came not knowing anyone, and I'm leaving with some new friends and a lot of information that I did not have before. Actually, when I arrived, I wasn't quite sure what I was going to walk away with, because the whole opportunity presented lots of areas for me to personally explore and to professionally apply. And as an author, I got more than just social media and video training. I got a lot of insights in just how to take a different perspective on the whole journey associated with being an author and going out into the public and into the media, general media, in addition to social media, traditional media and social media. And I'm leaving now very reluctantly because it's been so fabulous. If you haven't been, I sincerely, from my heart, I encourage you to connect with Tamara. Do whatever you can to get face to face with her, and only hope she'll bring all these other amazing people with her, because they've been fabulous. Thank you so much, Tamara. Really thankful for you.